look good. Wait, what's the song? I look like bae.
What song is that?
You don't know that? I look like bae? Oh my gosh. I look like bae. Hey bitches, it's Brianna Dufour, aka Beats by Bree, and welcome to the Glam Squad. We're just gonna jump right on into this blue look right now.
So we're going to start by doing the ball cap method, and we secure that with the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray. After that's completely dry, you're going to take your contour cream in a shade that's slightly lighter than your skin complexion and put that all over the cap as well as the back of the wig, and then just cut the excess cap off. Then we're going to go in with our Bold Hold lace glue and place half of it in front of the wig cap and half of it on the wig cap. This is just going to make sure you get the best hold for your cap as well as your wig. And as you can see, I'm just taking that comb and making sure I'm spreading it out until it turns clear. You want to make sure that you do this with every layer. I suggest doing about 3 to 5 layers just to get the best hold for your wig so it can last for you. You can swing your hair around, do whatever, and that wig is not going to come off, okay? And now what you're going to do is just pull down the wig and take your comb to push that lace into that glue. Do not, I repeat, do not use your hands to push the lace into the glue. Your hands naturally produce oil, so it will make it hard for the lace to stick to the glue. Then what you're going to do is take your comb and section out the area around your ears, cut the rest off. Then we're going to go in with our razor and cut off the rest of the lace going across the hairline. The razor gives you more of a jagged cut and it creates a more natural hairline look versus scissors, which can give you that straight across wiggy look, and we do not want that, okay? So now I'm just sectioning off her baby hairs because you know we all love the baby hairs. And then I'm going to tie down the front of her lace with a stretchy elastic band, and this is just going to kind of push the lace into the glue even more for a better hold. And then you're going to take that hot comb, yes baby, taking it back to the old days with the hot comb. This is just going to give you that sleek melted look. And now I'm going to go back in with my razor to create her baby hairs. We did notice that the lace was looking a little light, so off camera we went back in to touch it up to give it more of a flawless, seamless blend. Now I'm just going to go in with my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz to lay those baby hairs. Yes, sometimes I do use a setting foam, but I'm always exploring other options and trying out different techniques. So that's what this is. And you're going to take a small tooth comb to swoop those baby hairs because nothing swoops baby hairs better than a small tooth comb. I laid hers based on how she lays her natural baby hairs, then tied them down so she can come out looking like a little sexy blue mermaid with this breezy blue. Yes, honey.
Alright, now that our hair is laid, we are going to go in with a fresh face and our NYX primer, and we're going to put that all over our face just to make sure our makeup lays perfectly. And yes, brows are going to be matching the hair. I did the blue brows by just filling in with a blue eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go around and clean it up. I will have a detailed eyebrow tutorial coming very soon because I know that's something that everybody wants to perfect. Go in with our LA Girl concealer and Fawn and blend that in our highlighted areas. I do not do foundation, so of course I skipped that part and just do everything else. And we're going to blend that out, making sure to stay above our brows and have a little dance break. And then I take a brighter color just underneath my eyes and on my nose just to give me that more highlighted look. After we blend out all that concealer, we're basically going to set everything, literally everything, with powder just to make sure that we don't crease over time. After we blend out all that powder, we're going to go in and we're going to snatch our face by carving our cheeks, forehead, and snatching that nose. I like to warm up the edges of my nose contour with my hand just to make everything blend a little better. And then we're going to go back in with our contour brush and blend everything out. And then we're going to put a little blush on to make us look a little more like a doll. And then we're going to go and carve out that contour with the highlighted powder just to make everything look a little more snatched. Now we're going to take this first eyeshadow color as our transition color, and then we're going to go into a deeper, darker color into our crease just to add a little more dimension. And then we're going to move on to the outer corners of our eye where we blend out to give it kind of like that natural smoky eye look. Now I'm just taking a lighter base color onto the lid of my eye to make sure that those colors that I put on are going to stand out more. And I'm using a fluffy brush to do that. I'm going to start by tapping on Playground first in the front corner of my eye. And then I'm going to put Brother on the back, blending it into the other shades. And then I'm going to go back in with No Beans and blend out the outer edges. Now I'm taking my favorite eyeliner and I'm going to go out from my outer corner all the way up, and then I'm going to drag that line back down and fill it in. And I'm going to put some lash glue all over the liner that we just made. Then I'm going to tap my Lux Glam Cosmetics glitter in Aquarius all over the liner. After we put our mascara on, I'm going to brush off all that powder that I reapplied under my eye and under my cheek. Then I'm going to put my lashes on. Next, I'm going to go under my eye with No Beans, and then I'm going to put Brother right above it. And I'm going to go into my waterline with NYX Liner and put some mascara and some bottom lashes on. Now I like to go in with my lip liner. I like to follow the natural shape of my lip, and I like to blend it out while I put it on. And then I'm going to go in with my lip lingerie and just smear that all over my lips. You don't have to make it pretty at first. Just try and get it all over and move your lips around into the blendedness as you would like. I put on 2 lip glosses. I can't remember what the first one was, but if I do, I'll put it in the description. And then I just like to put this clear gloss on and finally spray my face before I put my highlighter in the corners of my eye and under my brow. And that is it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the page so you get all the updates on when we post new videos. And our next one will be coming very soon.